It is always a pleasure to be with all of you as we open the Mandaue Business Month 2026. Whenever I'm with our business community, I'm reminded of what has always made Mandaue different. We're a city that knows how to adapt. Market change, industries evolve, and customer needs continue to shift. But through it all, Mandaue has continued to grow because our business owners have never stopped looking for opportunities. Over the past year, we've seen encouraging signs of that growth. New businesses have opened, established companies continue to expand, and more investment are coming into our city. These are clear signs that business continues to have confidence in Mandaue and in our future. As your city government, our commitment is simple. We will continue improving the ease of doing business, making government services more responsive, and working closely with the private sector because we know that the best solutions come when government and business work together. That is what One Mandaue means, building partnerships that create more jobs, attract more investments, and open more opportunities for our people. The business landscape will continue to change, but I'm confident that Mandaue will continue to move forward because of people like you who continue to invest, innovate, and believe in our city. To the Mandaue Chamber of Commerce and Industry, thank you for your continued leadership and cooperation. Together, let us continue building a Mandaue that is more competitive, more resilient, and better prepared for the opportunities ahead. Daghang salamat ug maayong gabi kanatong tanan.